From day one of starting my real estate career, I've watched the industry. I've watched agents walk in and out of the business. I've created a job that allows me to assist people in no matter what stage they're in walking into real estate. From the minute they get their real estate license after passing the PSI exam, I create step-by-steps. I will teach them things, but teaching only has a 3-week shelf life. So I create classes and step-by-steps. So when they come back to me in a month or 2 months and say, I know I took this class, but I don't remember it, I will answer their actual question, and then I will give them the step-by-step that they received at that training. This allows them to go into the real estate industry with support and an understanding that most do not have.